in today's video, we're talking about how to set up automated backups and use one-click restore on Hostinger. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever worried about your website breaking, getting hacked, or losing work after an update, this is one of the most important systems that you can set up. By the end of this video, you'll understand what website backups actually are, how Hostinger handles automated backups, and how to actually restore your site with one click if something does go wrong. This is so important because websites don't usually break on purpose. They break during updates, changes, or random issues you can't always predict. This is how you can save your website if you ever need to, so let's get into it. So what is Hostinger? So Hostinger is a web hosting provider that offers managed hosting plans for WordPress and other websites. Hosting is what actually makes your website available on the internet, and it also plays a big role in how safe and stable your site is behind the scenes. One feature Hostinger includes is automated backups. A backup is a saved copy of your website that can restore if something breaks. Instead of manually downloading files or databases, Hostinger handles this for you automatically based on your plan. The one-click restore feature allows you to roll your site back to a previous version without needing technical knowledge. This is designed to protect beginners who are still learning how websites work. Now let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper on what these terms actually mean. So first off is automated website backup. So automated backups mean Hostinger creates copies of your website on a schedule without you needing to remember to do it. These backups usually include your website files, content, and database. Automation removes the human error of forgetting to back things up. Next is one-click restore functionality. This essentially allows you to bring your website back to a previous version with a single action. You don't need to upload files or edit settings manually. If a plugin update breaks your site or a design change goes wrong, you can restore a working version quickly. Backup storage handled by Hostinger. So Hostinger stores backups separately from your live website. That means if something happens to your site, the backup still exists. Having backups stored off-site adds an extra layer of safety compared to backups stored on your server. Simple dashboard access. So backups and restores are managed directly inside the Hostinger dashboard, which I will show you shortly. You don't need to install extra plugins or use outside tools to access them. This just keeps everything centralized and easier to understand. So backups matter so much more than you think because most people just assume that backups are only for major disasters. In reality, backups are used most often for small mistakes. Accidentally deleting a page, breaking a layout, or updating the wrong setting can all be fixed with a restore. Backups turn stressful moments into minor setbacks. Okay, now I just want to show you where all these settings are in Hostinger. So if you don't already have a Hostinger account, we do have a link down in the description below. Once you click that link, depending on if you want a website builder, you can go ahead and choose one of these plans. They also have purely hosting accounts as well. As soon as you're logged in, this is what it's going to look like, okay? So you've got all of your websites, your domains over here, horizons, emails, reach, VPS, billing, and more. We're going to go ahead and go to our website list. We're just going to go ahead and click on a random website that we have and go to the dashboard. Now, as you can see, you've got everything over here, your WordPress, hosting plan, performance, analytics, security, domain, website, files, and everything in between. We're going to go ahead and locate this backups section, okay? So now what we want to do first is we want to make sure that the automated backups are actually on. As you can see, automated backups are weekly. If we wanted to upgrade to daily, you can also do that too, but weekly is just great. Now to view the latest backup, you just click here and then you can restore or download the website. Okay, if you want to do manual backups, you can do that here as well. Now, if you want to restore and download, so this is where you can see all the most recent backup times and then you can click restore website. Okay, and then you can also see all of your restore history. So if you did restore it, this is where it would all be located. So very simple. Again, you just navigate to your website, then you'll just go ahead and in the overview, you can go ahead and click backups. And then this is where all of these settings will be. So you can manage your backups and restore anything that you need to. If you do need to restore it, one thing I want to mention is you want to confirm that pages load correctly and the issue is resolved. Okay, so that's just one little check that you're going to want to make sure you do. But that's it. That's all you need to know to fix any settings, restore anything, and check on all of your backups. Let's talk about what backups actually do and do not protect. So backups protect your content, structure, and core site data. They do not replace security best practices, so you should still use strong passwords and update plugins responsibly. Backups are your safety net, not a substitute for maintenance. Now, some common mistakes beginners make with backups. One common mistake is assuming backups exist without checking. Always verify that backups are actually being created. Another mistake is restoring the wrong backup version, so make sure you choose a date before the problem has occurred. Some beginners also wait too long to restore and trying to fix issues manually first. If you're stuck, restoring is often so much faster. When you should actually restore your site. So you should really consider restoring your site if it's not loading properly, showing errors, or behaving different after an update. If you're unsure what broke or how to fix it, restoring can save you so much time and stress. You can always redo small changes after the site is working again. Now for the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of Hostinger's backup system is simplicity. Automated backups and one-click restore remove technical barriers for beginners. Another benefit is just peace of mind. Knowing you can recover your site quickly makes learning and experimenting way less scary. Now on the downside, backups depend on your hosting plan. Some plans have more frequent backups than others do. Another consideration is that restoring overwrites recent changes. Anything done after the backup date will be lost. But overall, the protection outweighs these limitations. Now let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. So if you use our link down in the description below, you can actually save up to 85% off. So we've got the premium website builder, which is 85% off, which is just $1.99 per month plus 3 months free. With this, you get one website, 5 website pages, 2 gigabytes of storage, 1 mailbox, and then you get premium benefits like free domain for a year, build sites in minutes with their AI website builder. You can also choose from 170 plus templates, create and send email campaigns, and then you also can have access to their SEO email marketing tools. Then we've got the business website builder. So this is $2.99 per month plus 3 months free, which is saving you 84%. With this, you can create 50 websites, unlimited website pages, 50 gigabytes of storage, 5 mailboxes, and then everything in the premium, but you also can sell up to 1,000 products, keep 100% of your products with 0% transaction fees, sell custom merch, polish your copy with their AI text editor, share your story with their AI blog posts, design your brand identity fast with the AI logo maker, and so much more. So again, choose the plan that best fits your needs, but both of these are such an amazing deal for website builders. They also have a 30-day money-back guaranteed, which is so powerful, so you can try it out and make sure that it actually is a good fit for you and this is what you want to invest your time into, and then go from there. If you're building your first website and want a safety net, automated backups on Hostinger are such a smart choice. They protect you from mistakes and unexpected issues, and this setup is especially helpful if you plan to update plugins, change designs, or experiment as you learn. If you want full manual control or advanced backup systems, you'll probably have to upgrade your plan at some point, but for beginners, the built-in system is more than enough. I just wanted to touch on some bonus tips for even safer backups before we wrap up. So one of the best habits you can build is checking your backups before you actually need them. A quick glance at your backup history every once in a while helps you feel confident that everything is running properly. It's much less stressful to confirm backups exist now than to find out later when something goes wrong. Another helpful tip is to think about timing when you make changes to your site. If you're about to update multiple plugins, change your theme, or edit important pages, try to do those updates shortly after a fresh backup is created. That way, if you need to restore, you're not losing a large chunk of recent work. It's also smart to avoid making too many changes at once. When you update one thing at a time, it's easier to understand what caused an issue if something breaks. This makes restores more intentional instead of feeling like a panic button. Keep in mind that restoring a backup will overwrite recent changes, so if you added a new blog post, products, or pages after the backup date, those changes won't be included. Before restoring, pause and think about what you're okay losing so there aren't any surprises. Another useful practice is to test your site after every restore. Check your homepage, menus, forms, and any important pages. Even though restores are automated, taking a few minutes to confirm everything works helps you catch issues right away. And finally, remember that backups are part of your overall website routine, not just an emergency tool. When backups are combined with careful updates and regular check-ins, managing your site feels calmer and more predictable instead of stressful. I know how intimidating it can feel knowing one wrong click could break your website, but automated backups remove that pressure and just give you confidence to keep learning and improving your site. If you want to check out Hostinger yourself and save up to 85% off, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.